Hi everybody, Peter Chronopoulos here with Really Virtual. Today I'm going to show you how to start using the Real-Forklift virtual reality simulator. Now we're going to go into the calibration phase. You're going to put on your VR headset and just listen to your virtual trainer, Neo. Neo is going to guide you along the way. He will either respond to voice or you can press the gas pedal to move on to the next phase.
To get started, we want to be sure your headset is properly fitted. Adjust your headset as you were instructed to make the text as sharp and clear as possible. Once you have finished fitting your headset, just say "I'm ready," or press and let's get started. Now, we need to calibrate virtual reality with the real world. It is easy. First, put your hands in the 9 and 3 o'clock positions of the steering wheel. You can't actually see the real steering wheel, so you will need to feel for it. While you do this, make sure you are looking at your hands. If one of your hands disappear, that means I have lost sight of it, and you will need to lift your hands up in front of your face and wiggle your fingers. Once both hands appear, place them back on the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions. In the future you can say skip, or press and hold down the gas pedal for 1 second while I am guiding you through calibration, and I will stop speaking for that step. Great. Now adjust your hand position until the virtual steering wheel is properly calibrated. When it is good, say "hands set," or press and hold down the gas pedal for 1 second and we'll go to the next step.
You want to make sure your hands are at 9 and 3 and just put your thumbs and lock them in right here like so while you're looking at them. Then you can either say "hands set" or press.
Put the palm of your right palm on the forward reverse stick and the controller will align with your hand. Adjust your hand until what you see matches what you feel. When the controller is properly aligned, say "hands set," or press and hold down the gas pedal for 1 second.
Make sure you put the palm of your right hand on the forward and reverse knob with your fingers pointing forward, and then you can say "hands set" or press the gas for 1 second.
Please verify that everything is properly aligned for you. If so, say "calibration complete," or press and hold down the gas pedal for 1 second. If you need to recalibrate, just say "start." Excellent. Ricky Bobby. Calibration complete. Stay frosty.
So now that we've completed calibration, you're going to be in this warehouse environment. You can start training by summoning Neo, or you can press up on the directional pad on the left side of the steering wheel, and it will start your training. Hey Neo.
Hey, Ricky Bobby, how may I help you?
Start training.
Say ready or start to begin lesson 101.
Ready.
Lesson 101. In this lesson we will learn the purpose and location of the lift trucks.
Closing training menu.
So that's one way you can do it. The other way is by pressing up on the directional pad, the left side of the steering wheel, to get to the training, and then to get out of it, you press up again.
Lesson 101. In this lesson we will learn the purpose and location.
And that's it.